Okay. Okay, ito na. True ending na, guys! True ending na! True ending na. Oh. Yan na, let's see. So, may isa pang ending. Madam? Secret I've been keeping for your sake. It's been 12 years now. 12 years since that case. And since I retired from the missing persons team, 12 long years. What? Gyeonggong. I was busy for the first 5 years. A lawyer friend asked me to take on a paralegal job. It was a hard work, getting used to a new position at that age. But I suppose that would only be an excuse. The truth is, I thought I'd resolve things well enough, a decent end for everyone involved. Wait, what do you mean? I'd put the case out of my mind for so long. But you were still chained helplessly to that lie I told. Each painful day of your life stretched out into years. I'm sorry I'm late, Miss Song Min Young. Wait! Oh my God! Song Min Young? I understand. Are you trying to deceive me? Your ex-husband couldn't make it today. But I'm John Byung. Because he's at the rally outside the Human Rights Commission. I'm the one who retired from the force. I'm the one who was whacked with guilt. You lived out your sentence years ago. The one who tried to die. Miss Song Min Young. What the? Oh my gosh! Miss Song Min Young, each time we revisit these memories, you became someone else. At times, you became Seo-won, searching for her mother. Today, you became a detective, despairing at her failure to find the girl. I'm Song Min Young? We've been having this conversation again and again for months now. Just like you said, those conversations you remembered were real. The only difference is that I was the one who heard the exchanges, not you. Those memories we unearthed today are a mix of your personal experience and your memories of everything I told you. And you pieced together those fragments, determining who said what and where. But you haven't quite found who was doing the listening. It's time to put the final puzzle piece in its place. Complete the mirror that will show who you really are. Min Young, let's get you out of this place. Let me get you to a doctor, somewhere you can get proper treatment. I can help you. Miss Song Min Young, but if you're really me, if you're really Jong Gyong, why? Why go so far when you're not even on the force anymore? That's the same question I once asked Seo-won. Let me give you the same answer she gave me. Seo-won's case is still marked as open and no case should remain unsolved. Oh my God! Hala, Gasyong, kinikilabutan ako. Good job! Good job this game! Oh my gosh, guys, nakuha natin yung true ending. Kinikilabutan talaga ako, guys. Parang noong una litong-lito ko, akala ko on the brink of death na ako. Akala ko on the brink of death yung detective. Wow! Medyo ano siya, striking siya sa heart. Oh my God. Ang galing. A message from Somi. Every man for himself. It's a philosophy that seems to be increasingly prevalent in the world. We live in an age where the law and the jungle is seen as a given, flowing rage and hate across society. So I would like to express my heartfelt support for those who resist, those who withstand the mockery and condescension, digging their heels for what's right. I made this game with faith that when we show kindness to others for no benefit of our own, we bring about change in the world of Selena. Okay, hindi ko na po nabasa. Maraming salamat po. Yes, thank you for playing na lang yung pwede kong, yung kaya kong basahin.